Alright, so I have found this AI tool that let you create a digital clone of yourself using AI. And this website is called HeyGen and it seems pretty cool. Let's check this out. So after you're signed in, you can come here to the left side to Avatar and click on Instant Avatar. This is where you can create your own digital twin in minutes. So click Create Now and let's watch this video explanation of how this works.
Hey guys, I'm Joshua, co-founder and CEO of HeyGen. Let me show you these two videos and you tell me which one is AI generated.
In the early days of computer programming, a significant historical anecdote is known as Grace Hopper and the bug. In 1947 at Harvard University.
Alright, it may sound crazy, but both videos are generated with my AI avatar. You can create your own if you follow the instruction below. It will only take you 5 minutes to get a high fidelity avatar, same as mine.
Okay, so that seems pretty cool. So let's get started and try this out. So you can choose between video instructions or text instructions. So let's pick video.
So we only need 2 minutes of talking videos of you. You can talk about anything in any different languages. There are 6 things you need to pay attention. 1, you could either use a mobile camera or a professional camera as long as you're filming it at 1080p plus. 2, about the background. You should make sure you have a good lighting and make sure you have a nice looking background. The background of your avatar will look exactly the same as your footage. 3, position. You could either be standing or sitting, but try to make sure you don't move your position during the recording. 4 is simple. Try to make sure you look straight to the camera and do not look anywhere else during the recording. 5, pauses. Try to make sure you have 1 second pause between each sentences and try to keep your mouth closed between each pauses. 6, gesture. Do not use any directional or pointing gesture. Try to do a generic gesture just like me and keep your gesture below the chest level. Next, I will include my 30-second recording clip just for your reference. You can look at how I was doing my recording footage.
Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how we are making the avatar filming behind the scene. As you can see that, I'm standing in front of the camera. It's a sunny afternoon, 4 p.m. in Los Angeles. I'm just facing in the camera.
Last, there's one tip I personally find it very useful. You can imagine you are actually giving a product update videos to your audience and you are delivering that message to the camera. If you don't get it right the first time, no worry at all. With Instant Avatar, you can redo it as many times as you want and it's totally free. Let's give it a try and let's bring the magic to you.
Okay, so let's go on to the next step. So here's where we can upload our footage. So for optimal, most realistic results, we recommend uploading a 2-minute video recorded with a high resolution camera or smartphone. Okay, so let's upload our footage. Okay, so I have already recorded a video footage of me talking for 2 minutes, so I will just upload it. Please confirm your video meets these requirements. Your face is visible at all times. There are pauses between sentences. You're looking directly at the camera. The environment is well lit and quiet. Yes, my footage looks good. Record a consent. Okay, so here's a consent that we need to give them. Turn on camera. Okay, well, I guess I have to use my MacBook camera. That's fine. Pre-wrote script. Okay, start recording. I, Derek Kumo, hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen account. Finish recording. This would take about 10 to 20 seconds. The consent is good. Click submit and the video is being uploaded. Okay, so my video has been uploaded. Your instant avatar is being created and will be ready in just a few minutes. So click done. Okay, the instant avatar is done and let's check this out.
Hey Derek Kumo, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, let's check this out.
This is how you create your own avatar with HeyGen.
Okay, so not bad. I think my only complaint is I think the lips is a little bit weird, but I think it could be optimized. And then I think I'll also go through the fine-tuned version, which is a high level version of the avatar. So I will keep you guys posted.